What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the C200 Avantgarde line right in front of me here. Now let's highlight the first thing. I love this color. This color is the high-tech silver. Looks absolutely beautiful. Love how the shades, when there's a little bit of shade, it brings out this bulge that we have on top of the front hood. Looks really cool, guys. I love it a lot. Now the lighting that we have right here is LED high performance for the lights, and this bumper is this design. It's quite a decent looking bumper. At the same time, it has that aggressive kind of a feel in a way, thanks to the front hood. But yes, this right here is the front badging. Your grille is designed in this way. Looks really nice as well. Beautiful, high-tech silver. Lightings on this side, sensors all over the place, here, all over, from the right to the left, left to the right. Now let's move down to the wheels that we have right here. Now these are Bridgestone tires, and where is the tire size located? Let me just find that. Probably hidden somewhere, which I may come across. There we go. So it's right here. So it's 225 45 R18, guys. 225 45 R18. So these are 18-inch wheels that we have. Solid disc brakes at the front. Calipers are here. Mercedes-Benz badging in black and silver as well. Two-tone finish wheels, got silver on the outside, got black on the inside. Stunning. You got some chrome lining all over here, from this side all the way to the end. Oh no, it's not chrome lining. It's basically the high-tech silver body itself. Wow, fool me right there. Because of the shade. Looks awesome. But anyways, let's step on to the inside. Now let's check out the door. Seat adjustments, memory seats, handles right here. You got your window up and down, storage compartment here. You got the Burmester cover for the speaker, but could be maybe tuned by Burmester or maybe designed by Burmester, but I don't think it's actually Burmester, but never mind. Mercedes-Benz plate, beautiful. I believe this will be littered up, but let's take a look on the inside. Now, sitting position is comfortable enough. Let me just move the front right here. Oh yes, let me see. Ambient lighting pops up, very nice. And here we are. Check out the lighting. Beautiful lighting, guys, all over. Check that out on that side. Stunning as well. So you have this finishing of a design right here, and so yeah. So right now we are on the inside. The air vents are here. Ambient lighting is also located in such a way that it's very pleasing and very nice to look at. Air vents, frameless mirror for your center mirror. Ambient lighting on the top. Ambient lighting down here. You got that two-tone kind of finish. Glove compartment. And comfortably sitting right here. Awesome. And we also have, check that out, cup holder storage, and also Type-C charging for your phone as well inside there. Some storage down here. Let's close that back. Center screen again faces more towards the driver, so open that up. Down here we also have your Type-C charging, compartment storage down here. Beautiful. Let's close that. Now check out the top. This has no glass roof because it's not the AMG line, which has it, but the Avantgarde line is designed in this way. But check out how comfortable I'm sitting right here. Comfortable and nice. So it's moving the seat towards the upper side right here. Forward a bit, back a bit. I'm already comfortable enough. Awesome. Now let's move to the rear side. Let's get down. Oops. So you guys can see. Awesome. So let's move. As mentioned, Mercedes-Benz word is littered up. Awesome. Now let's move to the back side that we have right here. So we are now here, sitting at the rear. The centerpiece is foldable towards upwards, but in the meantime, let's leave it down. Let's check out this side. Not sure if you're able to see me because it's quite dark, and also I'm quite dark. Thanks to the t-shirt, I look fat. But There we go. Burmester cap right here. You got your handle to open up the door, window to wind down. Handles right here to fold down the shade. Storage compartment down there. Close the door. Amazing space that we have right here. Legroom is superb and fantastic. Sitting right here is comfortable. Earlier I sat at the front, adjusted it to my comfort sort of seating. But check out the space. I have tons of space right here. Yep, I can still move my leg all over the place. Awesome. Air vent to control. I guess this is a very minor small space for you to keep something. Down here as well, you can keep some other stuff down right there. Let's move this centerpiece up before that. Yeah, there we go. So cup holders, and you can store maybe your phone or your iPad. I'm not sure if your iPad can go in here, but maybe your phone, perhaps you want to rest it down. But yeah, push again, push again. Oh, sorry, push again, and then there we go, all the way down. Push it back up. Cool. Let's jump to the center seat. Comfortable and nice. I'm right in the center right here. My head is fine. Left, right. Let's move on to the right side. Right here. I've not sat in the front seat just yet, but someone have sat at the front. Let's open up the doors. Red, blue, open. Shade can be pulled down if you wish to. Let's get down. Now again, check out the boot space. This is the C200 in high-tech silver. So we have the C200 badging on the left side. Right side is completely clean. Mercedes-Benz logo right there. You got your brake lights right here. Reverse light, signal light. Let's open up boot. Fully up. And this is the amount of storage that you get. You also can fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Right here or right there. Place to hang some stuff. Other storage places down here. Warning triangle up there. Press the boot. Awesome, it's closed. You have your chrome finishing all over this side and that side. As you can see, the design of it is just nice. But the real exhaust is right underneath. It's only a singular exhaust, but it's designed beautifully. Now let's move to the rear wheel. So this is the design of it is also beautiful. You can say 18-inch 245 40 R18 solid disc brakes, beautifully designed in this two-tone kind of a finish. Let's move to the driver's side that we have right here. So sitting comfortably in the driver's seat, you get to have the Mercedes-Benz word and the screen pop up in a while more. But yeah, Avantgarde line has this round steering wheel kind of a finish, similar towards your cruise control, adjustments for your speed, home, setting, back, everything is all for this screen. This side right here is for that screen. Answering call, rejecting the call, volume up, volume down, voice command, favorite button right there. Now you also get your gear knob right here. Reverse, drive, park is on the inside right here. Signal indicators left and right, flashing your lights, also together with your wiper settings, sprinkler on the inside. Light adjustments over here, auto. You have it for your handbrake to pull and push back. Now we will be turning on the lights on the exterior just to show you guys how it looks like. But in the meantime, these are your adjustments. Let me turn that off for a while. Avantgarde line has the very clean blacked out pedals that you have. Boot opening, window adjustments, child lock, shade at the back. These are for your side mirror adjustments. Seat adjustment, memory seats, ventilation seats, lock and unlock. Handle for the doors. Now let's check out with the lights turned on. Check that out, guys. So you have your daytime running lights right here. Main LEDs are not turned on, but yeah, it does look beautiful indeed. Amazing car. Now let's open up the front hood to see how does the engine compartment look like. Let's go right here, close that. Okay, one time. Left side. So a different kind of a engine design setup. Clean and neat as well, thanks to the cover that we have right here. So yeah, beautiful guys, beautiful setup. Let's close the rear front hood, slam that later. But yeah, in the meantime, this car is beautiful guys. You gotta be here to see this car in person. To find out more about Mercedes, you can head down to Hub Sing Star at Kuala Lumpur, where these two cars are displayed, and many more other cars right at the back there. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.